Whoa, I just got raided. Yo, let's shout him out. Oh, I don't have a shoutout command. Are you sick of not being able to do a shout out in your stream when you're using Streamlabs? Yeah, me too. So, we're going to show you how to set it up today. Welcome back to the I Am Triple G channel, guys. A channel where we show you the tips and tricks, the ins and outs of content creation on Twitch, TikTok, YouTube, and much, much more. My name is Kyle, but I go by I Am Triple G online, or some people call me the Stream Sensei. In today's video, we're gonna go over how to set up a shoutout command on Streamlabs OBS. Okay, so what we wanna do is we wanna go to streamlabs.com and then go to your creator dashboard. And then at the side right here, right above my camera and my head, it says Cloudbot. And we want to go and click that. And then with that, we want to go right to commands. And we want to hit up add command. They have some templates for it, so it's really easy to do. Just look for SO. And there we go. What we want to do, though, is we want to make sure that the permissions are only given to your mods and, well, you. You can go to advanced and actually add aliases. Add alias, it's shoutout. You want to just hit confirm. Make sure that your Cloudbot is on, because if it's off like that, it's not going to work. And with commands, you always want to go and test them. So let's head over to my Twitch page. So I tested it a little bit before. Now it's going to work. It has an alias too, so if I accidentally hit shout out, let's go Harris Heller. And they were playing just chatting, so it should work. As simple as that. Super simple. Super simple. Okay, guys, I hope this helped. Please like and sub for more videos like this one. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below, or feel free to come join me on Twitch every Tuesday, Thursday, or Saturday. The link for that will be in the description below. Also, if you want to be a part of an ever-growing content creation community where you're going to find cool things like OBS overlays, Twitch emotes, and copyright strike-free music like the one that's used in the background of this video, the link is in the description below as well. Remember, let's grow together. That's it for the video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.